In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Zotero extension to Google Chrome, making your research and reference management a breeze. First, let's begin by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. This will give you a fresh start as we begin installing the extension. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chrome.google.com Web Store into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. This is the central hub for finding and adding extensions to improve your browser's functionality. Once you're in the web store, look for the search bar that's positioned at the top middle of the page. Here, you'll type in Zotero Connector. Press Enter, and this will bring up a series of results related to Zotero. You want to ensure that you select the official Zotero connector. This is important because the official extension will provide the most up-to-date and secure functionality. Now, when you've found the Zotero connector in the results, go ahead and click on it. A window will open with more details about the extension. To add it to your browser, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click this button, and shortly after, a confirmation box will appear. This box is just double-checking that you indeed want the extension. You'll need to click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. After you've done this, the download and installation will start automatically. It's a brief wait. Normally, this process doesn't take more than a few moments. Once it's all set up, a small Zotero icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. This icon is your gateway to efficiently saving references directly from the Chrome browser. If you haven't yet signed into Zotero, you might need to do so at this point. By clicking the icon, you'll be guided through the process of signing in with your Zotero account. This step is crucial for you to start saving references and gaining the full advantage of what Zotero has to offer. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added the Zotero extension to your Chrome browser. Now you're equipped to manage your references more efficiently, directly within your browser. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to explore all the features that Zotero can offer to enhance your research experience. Enjoy your new tool, and happy researching.